Today now we are going to prepare gobi adraki. So first we'll learn how to cut the cauliflower. Now cauliflower or broccoli is cut into florets, florets. So let's see how the florets are to be. Why we do this? Because at times there are insects in this. So to detect the insects, this is a very good process. Now we will cut it into, this is one floret. Now each of them is formed into small florets. We will cut it into the edible bite-sized portions. So one, and just pull it. Okay. Now how big to cut or how small to cut, it all depends on how you prefer it as for eating purpose. There are preparations which ask for a bigger piece, there are preparations which go for a smaller piece, but whatever you do has to be evenly cut. Why? Because if things are evenly cut, the cooking time will be same. If you cut one big, one small, the smaller piece will cook faster, become mashy till the time the bigger piece will cook. This one can be cut into half. This one we can trim. Now gobi adraki, as the name suggests, it will have ginger flavor in it. Why ginger will be used? Ginger is very good for digestion, and cauliflower is supposed to be gaseous, means you might have flatulence when you eat cauliflower. So cauliflower complements with ginger, and ginger helps and aids in digestion. That's why gobi adraki. Plus it has Indian spices which are antibiotic in nature. These can be used, do not throw them. There is one preparation called danthal ki sabji. We can prepare with this. Just peel it, cut into edible pieces, and same process as you prepare gobi adraki. So let's see how we prepare gobi adraki. I have cut florets. We are going to put ginger, cumin, spices. In spices we'll just put cumin powder, coriander powder. Now coriander powder, cumin powder and turmeric powder, red chili powder, the masalas which you see are homemade. I don't buy it from outside. So for cumin powder, what I do, I roast the cumin, leave it to cool down and then grind into a fine powder. Coriander seeds, leave it in the sun for some time, toast them, leave it to cool and then grind them fine. With this, what will happen, contamination which we usually get, or there are chances of preservatives being used, etc., can be put out on one side, which is going to be a fresh homemade masalas. Even red chili, whole red chili, leave it in the sun and fine, blend them into powder. Same for turmeric. For turmeric we get dried turmeric in the market. Leave it in the sun for some time and break it into small pieces first and then grind them into fine powder. So let's see how to go with gobi adraki. So first we'll put oil. Let it to become hot, not very hot, just enough. Temperature should come. First we'll put cumin seeds. Once cumin seeds have turned light brown in color, at this point we will add all the cauliflower. First we will cook the cauliflower. Again we are going to cook it by dum method. Dum in the sense we are not frying it. Some chefs what they will do, they will fry and keep it. Some will add onion tomato also in this, onion tomato masala. But this is different recipes for the same preparation available. Okay. Now what I will do is I will put the ginger and cover it and let the cauliflower cook for a while. It will get nice flavor of ginger later. Now what we are going to do is let it cook for a while. What will now happen? The cauliflower is going to sweat because of the heat inside. The moisture from cauliflower will start coming out and will start cooking. Right now it's on a high flame. After a duration of time, maybe after 5 to 6 minutes, I will turn it on a low flame and finish the cooking. Once it has nearly cooked, I'll add cumin powder, coriander powder, salt and little bit of red chili powder. Cauliflower, we don't, stir it too many times, otherwise it will break, become mashy and the appeal or appearance will not come. Now let's have a look. You see the moisture is come here now. We have not added any water, it's the moisture and the liquid or water from the cauliflower itself. At this stage, what I will do, I will add extra liquid in this now. Otherwise, cauliflower will start boiling. Cover it and now cook on a slow flame till it is nearly cooked. After that, we will add the masalas. Finish with garnish of coriander leaves and ginger julienne, and it's ready to serve. So we'll wait for the cauliflower to cook. It usually takes 10 minutes to 15 minutes of cooking depending on the size. Bigger the size, longer the time. Smaller the size, lesser the time. So we'll wait for it to cook. Okay, now in this, just for the information, I have added salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. Now all these 3 plus 1 4 masalas are grinded at home. I do it by myself. I don't buy the masalas from outside. I just buy seeds, cumin seed, coriander seed and even turmeric knots are available in the market. Okay, so if you want to grind and make your own turmeric powder, get that turmeric pod or knots, dried one, leave it in the sun for few days, break into small pieces and then grind it in the grinder. Cumin seeds and coriander seeds, what they are two alternatives. I have followed both. What I have done is I have put in the sun for 3-4 days. All the moisture has evaporated, and then I have toasted them or broiled them. After broiling, I left it to cool and then blended it into a fine powder for both coriander and cumin seed powder. Red chili powder, again leave it in the sun in a kadhai, dry roast it, don't discolor it, leave it to cool and then churn into fine powder. That's how all the 4 spices, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder and cumin powder are homemade. Now let's have a look at the preparation. Nice flavorful gobi adraki, nearly done. Now you might be asking me a question, sir, how to check if it is done or not. Simple. Take one piece out and break it. It's easily breaking. It will take another few seconds in its own heat and it will cook. See, nice florets are there. Minimum you have to stir it. Now I'll just nearly finished. It's done. Little bit of ginger on top, and then coriander leaves. This you need to add just before serving. You can chop it or you can put it whole. It's edible. Even the stem, if you want to cut it to fine chop and then add it into your masalas, you can add. So this is your gobi adraki.